Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial over the detail screen on the property main screen. We are just going to go over this information here as far as the qualifying, deal analysis, making offer, follow-up, after offer, and signatures, and exactly what that details. To get into each individual one, you can just drill down by hitting those arrow keys, and you can actually plug in your own information here. So it's asking some basic information to qualify. So whatever it may be, so maybe the ARV is going to be $300,000, or whatever the price may be, you can plug it in there very easily. Also, whenever you see this calculator button, that's a quick, easy way to get to the deal analysis calculator, which we'll do in another tutorial later on. You can also plug in why they are selling, for example, like lost their job. You can also adjust the selling date. So how soon do the sellers need to sell? Just by clicking on there, and you can click on any date, and it'll be placed on there. What the sellers are asking for, also very adjustable. Just put in whatever the seller needs to sell for. And you can also, by clicking on any of these, this information here, you can adjust the conditions. So at a glance, you will know what the condition of the property is as far as what needs to happen in a particular property. When you drill down to deal analysis, it gives very similar information. The ARV, so whatever ARV you put on this part will reflect down here as well. So once you fill out this part, this is automatically filled in for you. And same with making an offer. It's all good information to have when you're in the CRM system. The follow-up is just making sure that they have the signatures and making sure that they got signed, and also the closing date. So this is the quick tutorial of portions of the detail screen. We'll go into sending to buyers and getting buyer signature here momentarily.